The port of La Spezia is the perfect gateway to some of the most beautiful destinations in Italy. Indeed, you can easily get to the nearby national park of Cinque Terre. For this reason, La Spezia port is a real gate to Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, the Five Towns, is a string of 5 ancient fishing villages perched high on the Italian Riviera, just south of Genoa, in northwest Italy. The tiny villages were until recently linked only by mule tracks and accessible only by rail or water. Portovenere often been dubbed the 6th Cinque Terre town, offering what its more famous counterparts are known for: splendid seaside settings, extraordinarily scenic coastlines and walking trails, and rustic Ligurian cuisine. Riomaggiore is one of the most scenic places in Cinque Terre, with its lovely harbor and amazing atmosphere. It's best enjoyed at sunset, as the fading lights casts a beautiful orange glow over the buildings. Monterosso is one of the most picturesque villages, with its tiny harbor filled with colorful boats, a perfect place for sunbathing and cliff jumping. You can get the perfect shot of this gorgeous village by simply walking down past the harbor and along the rocky coastal path. Corniglia, in the heart of Cinque Terre, is ideal for hikers and nature lovers. Situated on a promontory overlooking the sea and surrounded by vineyards and olive groves, Vernazza is one of the most popular of the 5 villages. The tiny harbor is surrounded by colorful, typical Ligurian houses, and the charming piazza is lined with good restaurants and bars. Monterosso is the largest of the Cinque Terre villages. Here you will find a long beach promenade with cafes, gelato stores, and restaurants. The town has several beaches, both private and public ones, and beach lovers should definitely stay here. This is the only flat village.
Faremo la sosta, €10 per person, is free for the people under.
No plan, just the wind in my hair. I'm chasing dreams, I don't care where. Every sunrise, a brand new start. A different place to leave my heart. The world's a map, I'm drawing lines. With every step I feel alive. I'm wandering free, no ties to bind. The road ahead is all I find. Oh, every turn a story untold. I'm chasing sunsets, never going home. But the sky is my roof, the earth is my floor. I'm wandering free, forevermore. Mountains rise and oceans fall. I've walked through deserts, seen it all. From city lights to quiet streams, This world is woven from my dreams. I meet new faces along the way. We share a moment, then we stray. But every place leaves a mark on me, a memory to keep eternally. I'm wandering free, no ties to bind. The road ahead is all I find. Oh, every time a story untold. I'm chasing sunsets, never growing old. With the sky as my roof, the earth is my floor. I'm wandering free, forevermore. Through winding roads and starry nights, I find myself in distant sights. The journey is long, but I don't mind. The world's a treasure I'm here to find. I'm wandering free, no ties to bind. The road ahead is all I find. Oh, every time a story untold. I'm chasing sunsets, never growing old. With the sky as my roof, the earth is my floor. I'm wandering free, forevermore. Every step I'll find my way. I'm wandering free, come what may.
Recuerdo aquella noche bajo la luz de la luna, tus ojos brillando como si fuera una fortuna. Ahora estás lejos y mi corazón se entristece. Anhelo el momento en que nuestras miradas se crucen. Quiero sentir tus brazos rodeándome, escuchar tu risa como una melodía. Cada segundo sin ti es una eternidad. Volverte a ver es mi mayor prioridad. Volverte a ver es mi mayor prioridad. Volverte a ver es todo lo que quiero. Volver a sentir.
Nos miramos en silencio, no hace falta hablar. Cada gesto, cada roce lo dice sin dudar. Somos dos corazones que laten a escondidas en un mundo donde amar es la peor herida. Pero nadie entiende, nadie sabe lo que siento. Este fuego que nos quema, que se lleva el viento. Somos más que un secreto, más que un simple adiós. Aunque el mundo nos juzgue, aquí estoy yo. Son amores prohibidos que nos llevan al abismo. Nos atrapan, nos consumen, nos arrancan de lo visto. Pero yo te amo, aunque no deba hacerlo. Son amores prohibidos, pero tan sinceros. Tus labios son un sueño que nunca pude alcanzar. Pero en cada noche oscura te vuelvo a encontrar. Aunque el mundo nos separe y digan que está mal, en cada latido tú estás mi verdad. Pero nadie entiende, nadie sabe lo que siento. Este fuego que nos quema, que se lleva el viento. Somos más que un secreto, más que siento. Nos atrapan, nos consumen, nos arrancan de lo visto. Pero yo te amo, aunque no deba hacerlo. Son amores prohibidos, pero tan sinceros. Oh, en cada mirada, en cada suspiro, somos dos almas que se pierden en el mismo camino. No importa el destino ni lo que dirán, estos amores prohibidos son mi verdad, sinceros, tan sinceros.